Mabuhay! What's up, Buttercup? Today we're gonna unbox and install this set of table and chairs from Costway. It is a 3-pieces dining table and chair set. Counter height wood breakfast table, set of 2 upholstered stools. Yes, I set up and install it by myself. It is not very hard to install because the instructions are easy to follow and it's very clear to understand. It's perfect for a small space, or if you're just living by yourself or 2 people in a place, so it's not really consume a lot of space. Costway dining table set with storage space is a perfect addition to your home, made of high quality engineered wood and firm steel. Not only for home use, this wooden table set also works great for this restaurants, bistro, cafe, etc. The industrial style will additionally add a unique charm to where you're placed. It has a vintage walnut color with a carved lines for added style. All constructed of high-quality rubber wood, the legs of the table and stools provide strong load bearing. The seats of 2 stools are all padded with sponge of gold resilience and covered with PU leather of quality, making you feel extra comfy when sitting on them. Alright, that's it. Check my description below. Thank you.